Here's how to start a YouTube channel in under 2 minutes. The first thing you need to do is make an account with Gmail and set up your channel. Don't worry about fancy channel art and writing a long description. Unless you've got videos ready to go, this just gets in the way of you making videos and you'll procrastinate and not get it done. Next step, figure out your kit. You can start with a phone, a camera, a webcam, or make a video that you're not even showing your face in. Work out what kit you need to do the style you want, and if you're new to video, don't bother investing in much. If it turns out you don't actually enjoy doing this, then you'll have wasted a ton of money. I recently downgraded my kit. The video about that is on my YouTube channel right now, so watch that to see how little you can get away with to make something that looks exactly like this. The next thing is you need to pick a niche, or don't. The fact of the matter is, at this early stage, you need to make videos, get going. I've read so many comments saying, I want to start, but I can't figure out my niche. Work that out on the move. This is about creating content, not becoming an overnight success, which mostly won't happen anyway. The next step is to work out your style, how you want it to look. Now, unless you're the nuts at video, find a style you like that already exists and copy it. Don't reinvent the wheel, steal it, and make it your own. That will also help to dictate if you need more production kit to achieve that look. The next thing is you need some goals. If you started a channel for fun, good for you, enjoy it. If you want to turn it into a business, a job, a marketing tool, then get some goals. Set a 10-year goal because YouTube is a long-term project and goals will keep you driven. Then you want to learn how YouTube works. Getting views as a new YouTube channel is going to be tricky. For many, you need to target long-tail search terms, basically things people search for that don't have much competition that you could potentially rank for and pull in more views. Then learn how to rank your videos. In short, you need to make sure the title is how people would search for your content, the videos of a higher quality than the competition, you keep them hooked. More watch time, a higher click-through rate from a lovely thumbnail, and a long percentage of video watch means YouTube will probably promote it more. Check out the heaps of videos on our channel to learn more about everything I've just said. Promote like mad. Post your videos to your Facebook forums, Reddit groups, staple it to your mum's forehead, just get it out. Ideally to places where people hang out who might care about the topic of your video. And finally, subscribe to this channel because we make videos that will help you write, present, produce, edit, live stream, and market your channel 3 times a week. And we're planning on doing it for at least another 8 years. So we'll take you on this upward journeys with us.